So based on comparison of Permission Sets, the SCP, Service Control Policies. This provides the comparison wherein, as I said, the definition, permission set, it is nothing but a collection of permissions, policies that can grant only a group or a user rights to perform certain actions. What is the service control policies? It's a policies. It's nothing different from it's a JSON policy at the permission set, JSON policy at the service control policy. But you don't attach the service control policy to a user. You attach it to an organization or account in AWS or organization unit in AWS. What is the purpose? The purpose of permission set is to assign specific permissions to a user or group, as I said. And for SCP, it is to attach it to a particular organization unit. What is the scope? Scope is the same. You can attach it for permission set, you can attach it to the user group. Service control policy, it is attached to the organization unit. So what is the permission granting? You can, in permission set, you can grant or you can deny permissions for certain actions. On service control policies, you don't ideally want to grant it, you would want to just deny it. That is what best practice is. You would want to deny what certain users can't allow. And as deny overrides, because even if say you go granular, if you have a policy at the service control policies, you will be able to restrict them. So that is what you'll be getting. So that is one of the recommendations that we suggested to as part of the setup. Where should you use each one? If you want to go a little more granular at a specific user or group level, you should use permission set. If you want to set the permissions at a higher level at the organization unit, go for service control policies. Application method. It is assigned to the users or groups and it is assigned to the organization. And I override the permissions in permission sets. Yes. If it is an allow, you can definitely override the existing permissions with more permissive rules. You can do that. In service control policies, if you apply it, ideally you cannot do it because it's a deny. You cannot override a deny. So you can always try to override and allow. So something to check out. What is the primary function? It is essentially, again, for users or groups to perform certain actions, and it is service control policies, only certain organization or certain things in an organization that can be done. Which one is flexible? Permission set is a lot more flexible because, again, it is something you could do at a user or a group level, and service control policy you can just do at an organization unit level. And the type of control, it is permission set is very granular, while service control policies, it will just restrict at a high level or allow at a high level. So which is where you use service control policies very carefully. It could be because a lot of times what we have noticed when debugging, if we apply a service control policy at the organization level, and we are not able to identify why is one thing not working at a lower level, and it turns out that a policy at the root level is blocking it. Visibility, as I said, it is visible in the permission set is visible within the AWS Identity Center, while service control policies, they are visible and managed within the organizations, a very different segregation. And enforcement, as I said, the permission sets are enforced at the account level, as I showed you, where the permission set you will be able to apply to a particular user or group, and then they'll be provisioned, while the service control policies, they'll be enforced across the organization or within the specified OU. So with this, I hope you have a good understanding on what exactly is a permission set and what exactly is a service control policy. And now you will be able to guide your customers on when to use which one. So I hope you like this channel. Please like, subscribe, share, and drop in your comment of the next video you would want to see. Thank you.